Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to turn on the dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any other Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down towards display and tap on it. Here you will find out two options, the light mode and the dark mode. Just tap on the dark mode and the dark mode has been activated on your device. Now you can also choose to create your own schedule for the dark mode so it activates at a certain times during the day without having to come to these settings to enable it. And to do that, you just need to tap on the dark mode setting. In here you will find out turn on schedule mode. Just tap on the toggle button. Now once you have done that, you have two options. You can choose the sunset to sunrise option, which is from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and that's when dark mode will be activated. Or you can tap on custom schedule. You can create your own start and end time for whenever you want the dark mode to be activated and deactivated. Remember to tap on done so that you can save that custom schedule. And so now dark mode will follow the schedule that you have just created. Alternatively, you can also choose to use the shortcut that's going to be available in the quick setting menu. If you just want to activate the dark mode whenever you want without any additional settings, so just do that. Swipe down from the top right corner to open up the quick setting, and then next to this brightness slider, you should see this half moon icon. So this icon is what allows you to change the system from dark mode to light mode. So currently it's not selected, which is why it is in the light mode. But if I tap on it like that to select it, it automatically switches my system to dark mode. So you can see my apps icon, my folders, all have been switched to dark mode. Now if I swipe down and tap on it again, the light mode will be enabled and dark mode will be deactivated. And guys, basically this is the method through which you can turn on the dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.